Hello, this is G. Ramesh Kalyan, APCEC, SNS College of Technology. The course name is 19 CSO 303 Web Designing. The topic is XML namespaces. So generally XML is extensible markup language. So this is a bit similar to HTML. Uh, the main difference between HTML and XML is HTML is a client-side language and XML is a server-side language. So the topic is XML namespaces. So we'll be seeing about the namespaces and what are the difference in namespaces, then the conflicts that has been faced in the XML namespaces, the methods to overcome these conflicts. So generally XML namespaces provides a method to avoid element name conflicts. So the main aim of this XML namespaces is to avoid name conflicts. So name conflicts is something the two common thing with the same name, or else for example if you're having two tables with the same name, so so two tables with same name. So the main aim of this namespaces is to avoid the name conflicts. So for example, if you're having two tables, like we are adding two tables in HTML document. The first table, when we are opening the table tag and then closing the table tag. So the first table is, we are using the first table for displaying the names of the fruits. In the second table we are having the names of some other vehicles or some other places. So in order to like both the tables will have the same names with same rows and same data. Maybe the data is different, but the tag what we are defining in the HTML document remains the same. So in order to define in order to avoid these confusions, or else in order to avoid these conflicts, we are using this XML namespaces, and by this method we'll be adding a prefix to either of two columns, so that the prefixed column with a particular thing can be used for defining a fruits, and then the second prefix with the second table can be used for the defining other places or other names. So this acts as a big and one of the famous method to avoid this namespaces conflicts. So we'll see with an example. So as I said, the name conflicts in XML, the element names are defined by the developer, and this often results in a conflict when trying to mix XML documents from the different XML applications. So the other main difference between HTML and XML tag is HTML tag, there are predefined tags. So in HTML language there are predefined tags. For example, we are having HTML tag, head, body, and line list tag, and then the paragraph tag and all those. But in XML, user or the developer are free to define his or her own tag. For example, if it's a college, he or she could just define it with the college open tag, and inside this he could mention some information related to the college, namely the particular person's department name, roll number, register number, with the same register number, roll number, same tags. And finally he could close the tab with the tag with the college/college tag. So in this, the developers are free to define their own tags, so because of which the conflicts occur. So this is an example of what I said, the conflict. So in this example we are having two tables, as I said previously. The first table refers to the apple names of the apples, like apples, and names of the fruits like apples and bananas. The second table mentions the width and length of the table called American coffee table. So in the same document we are having two tables that just differs with their data. So this becomes a big confusion, and which results in a conflict. So in order to resolve this conflict, we are using a method in which a prefix is been added to both the tables, to all the lines in the tables, so that to differentiate each table with a particular prefix. So in this we are using two prefix, namely H for the first table and F for the first table. So as we could see in the example, so first one is prefixed with H, so that H colon table, then inside that table data we are defining apples, and second data bananas, and we are closing the table with h prefixed tag, and in second we are defining f table, so that we are defining the width all those with f tag. So this avoids a big confusion and conflicts. So XML, so this is the XML namespaces that include XML NS attributes. So using these prefixes in XML, so name conflicts can be avoided greatly. Thank you.